BMW, a name synonymous with luxury, performance and cutting-edge technology, continues to push boundaries in 2024. The latest lineup boasts an impressive array of vehicles, each catering to different needs and desires. From the sleek and sporty 2 Series Gran Coupe to the opulent and powerful X7 SUV, there's a BMW for everyone. This year, BMW focuses on enhancing the driving experience with refined powertrains, advanced driver assistance systems, and the latest in-car technology. Whether you seek a thrilling ride, a comfortable and connected daily driver, or a statement of luxury, the 2024 BMW lineup has something to offer. Join us as we delve into the world of BMW, exploring the top picks for 2024 and helping you find your perfect ultimate driving machine. The 2 Series Gran Coupe is the perfect entry point into the world of BMW. It's a stylish and sporty four-door coupe that offers a blend of performance, practicality, and luxury. Available in several trims, including the potent M235i, the 2 Series Gran Coupe caters to a wide range of driving enthusiasts. The base 228ci model comes with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers peppy acceleration and excellent fuel economy. For those seeking more thrills, the M235i boasts a powerful turbocharged 6-cylinder engine and a sport-tuned suspension for an exhilarating driving experience. Inside, the 2 Series Gran Coupe offers a modern and comfortable cabin with the latest technology features. The iDrive infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use, while the available driver assistance features provide added safety and convenience. The BMW 3 Series is an icon in the automotive world, renowned for its exceptional handling, performance, and luxury. The 2024 model continues this legacy, offering a refined and engaging driving experience. Available in both sedan and wagon body styles, the 3 Series caters to those who appreciate a balanced blend of sportiness and practicality. The 3 Series offers a range of powerful and efficient engines, from the base turbocharged 4-cylinder to the potent turbocharged 6-cylinder in the M340i. Each engine is paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission that delivers seamless power. The interior of the 3 Series is a masterclass in design and ergonomics. High-quality materials, comfortable seating, and a driver-focused cockpit create a premium and engaging environment. The latest iDrive system with a large touchscreen display provides access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Stepping up in size and luxury, the 5 Series sedan offers a perfect balance of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. This mid-sized luxury sedan is ideal for those who desire a refined and spacious driving experience without compromising on driving dynamics. The 5 Series comes with a choice of powerful engines, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder, a turbocharged 6-cylinder, and a plug-in hybrid option. The top-of-the-line M550i boasts a twin-turbocharged V8 that delivers exhilarating performance. The interior of the 5 Series is a sanctuary of luxury and technology. Premium materials, spacious seating, and a range of comfort features create a first-class experience. The latest iDrive system with a large touchscreen and voice commands keeps you connected and in control.